Every cat and dog is starting a startup.
भैया ये फंडिंग कहाँ मिलेगी?
भाई साहब आगे से लेफ्ट चाहिए, कितनी बार पूछोगे?
आराम से बोल।
And I'm your host Farhan Shinoy, and on this channel you can speak your mind because Stray Dog is for the youth and by the youth. स्टार्टअप होता क्या है?
स्टार्टअप यार, स्टार्टअप होता है,
स्टार्टअप क्या होता है?
छोटी कंपनी.
It's like a miniature version of a big company where you get to experiment a lot of things easily, make and break things fast.
The ass is on fire.
Yes, most of the
Balls
time.
in the mouth.
Yes. And you don't get sleep most of the time. Yeah, you get panic attacks at night.
So why are more and more people nowadays starting a startup?
The reason is you don't want to work for anyone. You know that it's kind of slavery. You want to do something for your own.
So be your own slave.
Yeah.
Mostly because unemployment rate is going high and people don't know what else to do, so might as well go a startup, raise some money and enjoy.
One thing, if we have chosen a job, it takes more time to get settled. Yeah, as you know, if we do a job, we are doing we can earn or we can save some money. That's it. We can't
But not by
satisfy.
a BMW.
Yeah,
Not by an
like
Audi.
We can.
Maybe Swift.
That's it. That's all.
Do you think people start up to make money or make the world a better?
Money.
सवाल तो सुन ले पहले. To make the world a better place to live.
Money भाई.
अगर पैसे बनाना है तो दूसरे तरीके भी है. आप अंडरवर्ल्ड में जा सकते हो, कुछ किलिंग और बहुत सी चीज़ें हो सकती है. अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो, आपने कोई नया प्रोडक्ट निकाला, ऑब्वियसली पैसा तो आएगा ही, लेकिन आप लोगों को कुछ अलग चीज़ दे रहे हो जो उनके लाइफ के लिए इजी हो सकता है.
Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Option A, Gurgaon. Option B, Gurgaon Sector 24. Option C, Zilla Ghaziabad. और Option 4, Bangalore.
कोई पूछने वाला सवाल है भाई. गाजियाबाद.
Bangalore.
Bangalore, I think so.
Bangalore. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Bangalore. Why?
Because I found some
Silicon on the ground.
Not like that. One thing is we can find silicon items here.
Yeah. So you mean to say that in Bangalore we get a lot of silicon?
No, maybe cotton we are producing.
We are producing silicon, right?
We are not producing. Yes.
What's silicon made of? Ground, is it?
No. It's come from a worm, silkworm.
Silkworm.
Yeah.
Okay, silicon is from silkworm.
Yeah.
So we use that silkworm to make all the electronic parts.
Electronic parts? No.
silicon macha,
Silicon is.
silicon it comes from ground itself.
Would you rather date a startup CEO or a software engineer?
I am a software engineer. I think nobody should date software engineer.
डिपेंड करता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. सैलरी का डिफरेंस कितना है, और अगर शादी का सीन बना रही है तो फिक्स जॉब वाले से कर लेगी. अगर बॉयफ्रेंड बना है तो ऑब्वियसली
ऐसे होता है. ऐसे होता है हाई-फाई. ऐसे होता है. सिखाओ मैं अब हाई-फाई देना सिखाओ मैं. Would you prefer working for a startup or a typical MNC?
Startup. Yes.
Startup.
Yes.
Sale.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
You can see me right now. If it was an MNC, I will have to, trim every day, put a tie and full sleeve and shoes, and I don't want to do that.
Basically, you have to finish the work. Don't know how. Maybe sit on the footpath, but work has to be done.
Work has to be done.
But in MNC,
It's like बेटा 6 बज गए, चलो घर चलते हैं.
woo.
Cool car. Maybe startup CEO sitting.
What's your creepiest startup idea? Creepiest.
I would first make such disease which will convert few people into zombies,
Okay.
and then sell products that will kill zombies.
Are you from UP?
Yeah.
So, do you like bursting crackers, man? 'Cause
Yes, I do.
You love?
Yeah, do you have any to crack? No, I don't. Okay.
So, if there was a startup which would produce, eco-friendly crackers which actually emits oxygen when you burst, would you buy such crackers?
I would.
You would?
Yeah.
What about noise pollution? It could be problematic to wild animals and to the birds.
We'll say do it's one day in 1 year. So let us have fun. We can't fly like you.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video, share this video and subscribe to Stray Dog because it's free. ओए भाई कितनी फंडिंग मिली?
अरे यार पूरा बैग भर के लाया हूँ.
चल पार्टी तो बनती है बॉस.
चल भाई दारू पिलाता हूँ, आजा.
What I could figure out from her profile was that she is actually a very creative person.
First impression was chill's quite normal. I think he's like an outdoor guy. Then, according to his posts, I think he's gone through some heartbreaking thing or something.
जी सर मैं निकल गया. सर 15 लाख तो नहीं हो पाया, हाँ, लेकिन सर 12 लाख मैंने निकाल लिए.